Here we are once again looking at MJNA. This is the third or fourth time I've done this video, but it's a very popular stock. A lot of people watching it, a lot of people asking questions on it, so I want to continue to keep this updated. But again, like I've done in past videos, before I even get to the chart, I do want to point out that MJNA has put out another press release today. It came out at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. So again, go to Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, MarketWatch, whatever provider you use, and pull up the press release. As I've mentioned in past videos, the company does a great job of keeping people updated and informed on what's going on. And as we'll see, the general market really liked this press release. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, pull it up, and read about it. So here is the chart, and like I said, nice green day today, gapped up, held the gains. So the price, or excuse me, the market really liked the news. You can see the volume down here, biggest volume it's had in a while, and there continues to be a lot of good things going on with the chart. Here obviously wasn't the funnest experience for people, but what happened really just reinforces the fact that the chart is in a strong overall trend, and what that event is revolves right here around this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. You can see in the past this moving average has done a great job of holding the price, and once again you can see this pullback. Look right where it bounced off of. You can't make that up. That's as close and as solid of a bounce as possible. Came down here, bounced, formed the spinning top candle, and from there has been bouncing back upward. So in terms of support levels and so forth, you could take this chart and throw it right into a textbook, because this is a complete textbook move. Pulled back, found support exactly where you wanted it to, and has since then been bouncing. So a great sign of strength that the overall trend truly is bullish. And now that it's the price is bouncing up, it's showing that whoever was or whatever was causing this downwards move seems to be out of shares now, as it's moving back upwards much easier now. So I pretty much just touched on the level of support that we want to keep our eye on, being the 50-day simple moving average. Now that the price is actually back here above the 10-day and 20-day simple moving average, the 10-day being this blue line, the 20-day being this gray, those are going to be other support levels that you'd ideally like to see the price hold above. But at the end of the day, as long as the price can continue to hold above the 50-day simple moving average, then the overall chart is going to be bullish, and the overall trend, is going to remain, in the bull's favor. Now, in regards to the resistance levels, for those that remember the previous video I did, I talked about how there's kind of this area between 14 and then up here right around 16, where there's quite a few profit takers and so forth. And as you can see, the price is getting oh so close to re-entering this territory and hopefully doing more construction, more damage on softening up the profit takers and so forth. And then hopefully, maybe even within the next week or two, starting to get some closes up here above 16 cents. If that happens, that's going to bring in a whole new wave of traders and investors and so forth, because everybody likes a chart that puts in higher highs and higher lows. And we've had this rough little pullback here, but it has put in a higher low relative to these other lows. So, kind of step one has been completed, and now all we need to see is start to get some closes at new highs, and then step number two will also be completed. So obviously still work to be done, as it hasn't even gotten up to 14, but it's getting closer and closer every day since this bounce. So with a move into this territory, it'll hopefully continue to weaken it up, and then sooner than later, hopefully, we'll start to see some closes above 16. And like I said, that'll really start to set off more trading radars, more scanners, and really bring more people's attention to this chart. And that already happened. I mean, like I said, it's a very popular stock, very popular company already, but you can never have too many eyeballs on it, and a close up here above 16 cents would definitely be something that's gonna start to have that happen. So overall, though, good looking chart, still healthy looking, as long as it remains above this 50-day and really the 200-day. But for now, we'll just focus on the 50-day. So still a popular company, still a popular chart, and we'll see what this week brings, and then next week, and hopefully maybe the next time I'm back doing a video update, I'll be talking about how it's closed up here, and this is now a new level of support instead of resistance. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, again, this was MJNA. Thanks for listening, and be sure you go check out that news.